Do you want to know how you can send long videos on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can send long videos on Telegram. So let's go ahead and open our gallery. And let's suppose I want to send a video to my friend. So I'll go ahead and choose this video. First, what you want to do is compress the video. So go ahead and click on the edit option over here. If you have a Samsung device, so click on the right side over here, the three dots, and click on size and format. You can see that you can decrease the quality over here. And you can see that you can keep it on the lowest quality. Click done and you can click save as copy and it will be saved in a while. And then you can notice that this size of file will decrease a lot while maintaining the quality. So after the size of the file is compressed, you can send this very file to your favorite people on your Telegram account. So wait for a while for the video to be saved, and after that you can send the video or the long video which you have just compressed on Telegram. You can now send this video to your favorite people or your channel or your group. Now what you need to do is click on share, which is over here, and then search for Telegram. Go to Telegram and you can send this to other people. So go ahead and click send, and you can see that the option of the size can be determined from here. Go ahead and click on this option over here, click done and send this video. In a while you can see that this video has been compressed, and this is a long video which can be fully seen on your Telegram account. I hope this video about how you can send long videos on Telegram was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.